This Java animation shows how the water cycle works, the continuous movement of water on Earth. The cycle begins when the sun heats water in lakes, rivers, and oceans. As the temperature rises, the water turns into vapor. This process is called evaporation, and it causes water molecules to rise into the atmosphere. As this water vapor rises higher, the air becomes cooler. Cool temperatures slow down the vapor, causing tiny droplets to start forming. When millions of these droplets come together, they form clouds. This stage is known as condensation. Clouds grow thicker as more water vapor collects inside them. Eventually, the droplets inside the cloud become too large and too heavy to stay in the air. Gravity pulls them back to Earth as precipitation, such as rain, snow, or hail. The falling water then gathers in rivers, lakes, and oceans once again. This storage stage is called collection, and it prepares the water for the cycle to begin again. And once again, the sun heats the water, and the whole cycle repeats.